Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a showdown between two powerhouse cameras. The Fujifilm X-T30, known for its compact design and impressive image quality, and the Fujifilm X-T50, which boasts advanced features and superior video capabilities. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with price. The Fujifilm X-T30 is priced at $899, making it a great option for those who want quality without breaking the bank. Many Amazon reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially for beginners, noting that it's a fantastic entry-level camera. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T50 comes in at $1,799. While some find it a bit pricey, others feel that the investment is justified due to its advanced features and image quality. One reviewer mentioned that they were extremely satisfied with their decision to purchase the X-T50 because it allows them to easily take high-quality photos and videos. In summary, if budget is a concern, the X-T30 is the clear winner here. Next up is image quality. The Fujifilm X-T30 features a 4th-generation X Trans-CMOS sensor, delivering stunningly vibrant images. Reviewers have highlighted its clear images and high-definition features, praising its overall quality. In contrast, the X-T50 boasts a remarkable 40.2 megapixel X Trans-CMOS HR sensor, which is a game-changer for detail lovers. One Amazon reviewer expressed their satisfaction with the X-T50's ability to produce high-quality images, noting it's a great investment. If you're looking for exceptional detail, the X-T50 takes the crown. Now, let's discuss focusing capabilities. The X-T30 has an autofocus speed of 0.02 seconds and can track moving subjects impressively well, even in low light. Reviewers have praised its performance, making it ideal for beginners. On the other hand, the X-T50 features native Frame.io camera to cloud integration, enhancing the user experience significantly. One review pointed out how easy it is to upload stunning shots, making it a favorite for those who prioritize convenience. Both cameras excel in focusing, but the X-T50 offers more advanced features for serious photographers. Let's roll into video capabilities. The X-T30 can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second and offers 240 FPS at 1080p for slow-motion shots. This has been well received by reviewers who enjoy capturing fun moments. However, the X-T50 takes it a step further with 6.2K at 30p and 4K at 60p, making it a powerhouse for filmmakers. Reviewers have noted that the X-T50's capabilities allow for more professional-grade video production, which is a significant advantage for those serious about videography. If video quality is your main concern, the X-T50 is definitely the better choice. In summary, both cameras have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The X-T30 is praised for its affordability and image quality, making it a great choice for beginners. The X-T50, while pricier, offers advanced features and superior video capabilities, appealing to serious photographers and videographers. So which one should you take home? If you're a budget-conscious enthusiast, the Fujifilm X-T30 is your go-to. But if you're ready to invest in the best, the Fujifilm X-T50 is calling your name. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.